The area of education has always been dynamic, changing over the years to accommodate the changing needs of students. Each period since the introduction of chalkboards and books has brought new tools to the educational landscape. The introduction of computer-assisted instruction has revolutionized how we interact with knowledge in the digital age. In this video, we will go out on a mission to learn more about the limitations and educational implications of computer-assisted instruction. Hello everyone, I am Ashwati Devi. Welcome to my channel TeachWise. There are a number of educational implications of computer-assisted instruction that can have a big impact on how teaching and learning are done. The following are some important effects of computer-assisted instruction in schools. Personalized learning. CAI allows for personalized learning experiences tailored to individual learners' needs and preferences. With adaptive technologies and data-driven analytics, computer-assisted instruction can provide customized instruction, adaptive feedback, and targeted interventions to address learners' specific strengths and weaknesses. This personalized approach promotes learner engagement, motivation, and improved learning outcomes. Active learning. CAI encourages active learning by providing interactive and engaging learning experiences. Computer-based activities, simulations, games, and multimedia resources enable learners to actively explore concepts, manipulate variables, and engage in problem solving. This active learning approach enhances learners' critical thinking, problem-solving skills, and conceptual understanding. Accessibility and inclusivity. Computer-assisted instruction can address the diverse learning needs of students, including those with disabilities or special educational requirements. Through assistive technologies, adaptive interfaces, and multimedia resources, CAI can provide accessibility features such as text-to-speech, closed captioning, and alternative formats, ensuring equal access to educational content and opportunities. Immediate feedback and assessment. CAI facilitates immediate feedback and assessment, allowing learners to receive real-time feedback on their progress and performance. Immediate feedback helps learners identify areas of strength and areas that require improvement, enabling them to make adjustments and deepen their understanding. Automated assessment tools in CAI streamline the evaluation process, providing timely and accurate assessment data for educators. Flexibility and convenience. Computer-assisted instruction offers flexibility in terms of time, space, and location of learning. Learners can access educational content and engage in learning activities at their own convenience, fostering self-directed and independent learning. Additionally, CAI enables asynchronous learning, which accommodates different learning styles and allows learners to progress at their own pace. Rich and interactive learning resources. CAI provides access to a wide range of rich and interactive learning resources. Multimedia presentations, simulations, virtual laboratories, and educational games offer engaging and immersive experiences that enhance learners' understanding and retention of concepts. These resources can supplement traditional instructional materials, making learning more dynamic and engaging. Data-driven instructional decision-making. Data-driven instructional decision-making generates data on learners' progress, performance, and engagement. Educators can analyze this data to make informed instructional decisions, identify areas of improvement, and tailor instruction to meet individual or group needs. Data-driven decision-making enhances the effectiveness of teaching strategies, instructional design, and interventions. It is important to note that while computer-assisted instruction has several educational implications, its successful implementation requires careful planning, adequate training for educators, access to technology resources, and ongoing support. Additionally, maintaining a balance between technology integration and human interaction is crucial to ensure the holistic development of learners. Computer-assisted instruction has several limitations that should be considered when implementing it in educational settings. Here are some common limitations of computer-assisted instruction. Lack of personal interaction. One of the primary limitations of CAI is the reduced opportunity for personal interaction and social engagement between learners and educators. The absence of face-to-face interactions may limit the development of social skills, collaborative learning experiences, and immediate clarification of doubts or questions. Technical issues and infrastructure requirements. Implementing CAI relies on the availability of reliable technology infrastructure, including computers, software, internet connectivity, and technological support. Inadequate access to these resources, technical glitches, or connectivity issues can hinder the smooth delivery of computer-assisted instruction and create disparities in access. Both educators and learners may require training and support to effectively utilize computer-assisted instruction. Educators need to be proficient in technology and instructional strategies specific to CAI. Similarly, learners may need to become familiar with the software or platforms used for CAI, potentially impacting the initial learning curve. Limited content customization. While many computer-assisted instruction programs provide a range of educational content, customization options may be limited. Educational materials and activities may not align perfectly with specific curriculum or instructional requirements, making it a challenge to tailor the content to specific learning goals or local contexts. Overemphasis on screen time. Excessive screen time can be a concern in CAI. Prolonged exposure to screens may lead to a visual strain, decreased attention span, or potential health issues. Balancing computer-assisted instruction with other learning activities and ensuring appropriate screen time limits are crucial for the overall well-being of students. Lack of immediate feedback on non-digital tasks. Computer-assisted instruction is most effective when providing immediate feedback on digital tasks such as quizzes or interactive activities. However, tasks that involve non-digital components such as hands-on experiments or writing assignments may not receive immediate feedback through the CAI system, requiring alternative approaches for assessment and feedback. Limited scope for complex or higher level skills. While CAI can be effective in teaching foundational knowledge and basic skills, it may have limitations in fostering complex or higher level skills such as creativity, critical thinking, and problem solving. These skills often require nuanced interactions, open-ended discussions, and real-world application that may be challenging to replicate in a solely computer-based environment. It is important to acknowledge these limitations and carefully consider the appropriateness and effectiveness of computer-assisted instruction in specific educational contexts. Thank you. Have a nice day.